Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel LibranFoodAndTravel. Nandito nga pala tayo ngayon guys sa Mubbaraz, AL-Ahsa. Bali, day off po natin ngayon. Papasyal lang tayo dito sa may extra Mubbaraz. Nagsisale daw yung extra ngayon. Titingnan natin yung mga cellphone daw. Lalakarin natin guys, malapit lang dito sa bahay. Bali, 5 minutes lang siguro. Nandito na tayo guys, malapit na tayo sa extra. Yung extra pala guys, tindahan to ng mga gadgets dito sa may Mubbaraz, AL-Ahsa. Titingin tayo guys kung magkano ang mga price ng mga cellphone doon.
Doing crazy dreaming. Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road. Family can stand, back then still looking for dry land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Love you. Love you. Always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Love you. Hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Always got you. Push you to the side, wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Love you. Love you. Always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Love you. Hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die.
Uwi na tayo guys, maraming salamat.